Well, Amit, good to have you, man, over here. And today I will talk to you how to win at this point of time. Do you think
Okay,
it's important to win in business in life?
absolutely. Every day we have to win, and especially in these COVID times, we have to win.
Correct. But do you think to win we have to have some different strategy, different mindset, different aura apart from our
Agreed.
competition? What the people are
Yes,
doing it in the market? What do you think?
yes, absolutely.
So I was just doing some
Yes, we
research.
have to be different because okay,
I was doing some research and because I told you I got so many of courses, so many of books, so I found three, 4 points, and the whole game would depend on those 4 points. The point number one, we have to be different from the 99% people out in the world, which
agreed.
means we have to sound act different from 99% in the world. Even the people who are working with you, they are in different zone. The first point, we have to be different. So how can we be different from other people? That's the question.
By having a different attitude, not to behave in we have to behave in a different manner.
Yeah, बिल्कुल correctly said. So you rightly pointed out we have to be act, talk, walk, and behave like a doctor, like an authority figure in the game. Which means you are not a pro bono child. You are an adult. You are a doctor. You understand what you're talking about the people.
Right,
So when you talk to people in a different zone and a different, it's not being arrogant. When you have authority, you talk like this. Your voice don't talk like this. You behave like this.
right.
So second point, we have to become authority of our space, and we have to behave like that. And for
Yes,
that, we need self-confidence.
right.
And how do you get self-confidence? When you do work on yourself. So that's point number three, which means we have to know more than anyone else in the marketplace. We have to go deep
Agreed.
in our industry, deep in our work. It cannot be possible that we go wide, and there's no substance. We have to go deep. We have to really learn and master. There's no shortcut way. If anybody is thinking that I can just make people fool, I will make money, it's a short-term game. Long-term, it will really not work. So point number three, we have to really master our craft. Whatever you are doing, let's say you are a financial planner. So what do you need to master? Tell me. What do you need to master in your space? If I
I need
if
to
I talk about
master.
how do you become.
I need to master how to handle new clients and prospective clients.
So you are talking about you need to master on the lead generation part, correct? Attracting the client, correct?
That's right.
Attracting the client and closing them also.
Exactly. Yeah, that's basically the start point. Because once the client is in our zone, I can manage that. So I have that experience.
Yeah. So the point is getting people for your business, correct?
Absolutely, absolutely.
So
And right kind of people.
so right. So जो point number मैंने three बताया that you need to work on the game, which means एक कहावत है राजस्थानी में कि पेंदे का लोटा ना काला करना पड़ेगा तब you become successful. Which means आपको you have to burn your midnight oil, you have to burn your lazy ash if you want to become something in life. That's as simple. You have to sweat. That's it.
Agreed.
And point number four, you need an attitude of never ever give up. Come on, that's the attitude you require. You are in the game. You are coming
Yes.
from a rare people in the world. You will never give up. Even if you are dying without food, you are still talking about I'll be something. So even if you are getting knocked down, you are knocking down on the ring. You are not leaving the ring. Most people what they do, they just go out.
Yes.
And that's why they are broke. That's why they complain, I don't have money, market is down, corona is there, government is not doing anything, my wife is not supporting, what do I do? So they are victim people basically. You can sense their voice. I
Victim
can
mindset.
smell
They have a
people.
victim mindset.
Yes, I can smell people and I can tell them whether this guy victim or a leader. Doesn't matter how much money he has. The way he smiles, the way he open his mouth, I can tell whether this guy is victim or this guy is a leader. So powerful. That's called inner psychological game, and you have to master it. And we are all, everybody is learning that. So these are the 4 points. Let me recap. Number 1, we have to be different from the people. Number 2, we have to be an authority figure, and we need to talk, act like. And how do you become authority? By working on your game. Point number 4, never quit.
Never quit. That's a very important point.
That's the very important point.
Hi. So if you like the ideology, if you like the content, and if you think that is something which you saw in this video is really valuable, then you do one thing. You can explore how my system and methodology can help you to grow your sales, grow your business, grow your revenue. For that, you do one thing. You don't trust on me. You trust on yourself. Do your research. What I suggest to you, I'm offering a free sales growth discovery session, which you can do by clicking on the link. And once you click on it, you will land on a page and you can schedule it for free. And on that session, I will tell you basics, nuts and bolts. What is the challenge? What you need to overcome? What is the problem? And how you can fix it. Within 30 days, you will see the difference in your mindset and your revenue and growth. And I will also give you my book called Sales Ka Sikandar for free. That's my gift to you, because I believe giving and sharing is all equal to receiving. Once I give, I receive it. So thank you very much for watching me, and I will encourage you, highly encourage you to schedule a session with me, and then you see how your business and sales can grow. Thank you very much. You can subscribe this channel and you can give me a comment also. Thank you very much.